What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through how you can literally grow your YouTube channel. So I'm going to be walking you through how you can literally get views on your channel, how to optimize your videos for search. I'll also be sharing with you all the tricks and strategies I use in growing my channel. But before I literally dive into the video, I'd like to show you guys some proof to tell you I'm someone you should listen to, because you might be wondering, okay, why should I listen to some random guy on the internet? So if you scroll right here, if you come over to the YouTube search bar right here and type in this keyword, how to open an OP account, so you're gonna see my video is gonna be the first video that you're gonna be seeing right here on the YouTube search bar. And also, if you also go to Google right here and type in the same keyword, you're gonna see my video is gonna be the first video you're gonna be seeing right here to tell you what I'm about to teach you, something that I've done for myself, and it's something that could work for you. So right now, let's dive into the video.
So the first thing you need to do right now is to create a YouTube channel if you know you haven't created one for yourself. And in order to do that, all you need to do right now is to download the YouTube app on your phone right here, or you could go over to me.youtube.com to create an account for yourself. So just click on this your profile button right here. So you're gonna click on this profile button, then you'll be able to create an account. So you're gonna give the ability to like literally give your channel a name. So you could literally name your channel whatever name you want to name your channel. So once you're done naming your channel, it's now time for you right here to upload a banner to your channel. So this banner is going to be indicating what your channel is all about. So in order to upload a banner, in order to create a banner for your channel, all you need to do right now is to go over to canva.com right here. So just head over to canva.com, just type in Canva at whatever browser you're using. So just create an account. If you know you don't have an account, it's free to create an account. So right now I'm going to be logging into my account because I already created an account on Canva. So once you're already logged in into your Canva account, just go over to this plus section right here. So you're gonna see a plus section right here at the middle. So just click on the plus section, and you're gonna see this option of you to create a YouTube banner. You're gonna see a banner option right here. Just click on YouTube banner. So once you click on the YouTube banner, it's gonna bring out different templates that you could use right here. You could literally just customize this template, then make this template yours. So literally Canva have different kind of designs you could use for your banner. So you could literally just go through all these banners or this template. You could customize one. So let me quickly find the one I like. So let me scroll down a little bit. So actually I like this template right here. So I'm gonna be customizing this template. So all you need to do right now is to just give your banner a name. So you need to make sure your channel's name it's also in your banner. So you could literally state what your channel is all about. For example, if you're in the make money online niche, you could put your channel, state your channel is all about make money online. If you're in the tech niche, you could just state it there. So it's just simple thing you could do right here. So I'm gonna be customizing this name right here. I'm gonna be naming my channel. So once you're done putting out these details on your banner, you can literally download your banner right here. It's not something that's very hard. Just click on this. So once you click on the download button, your banner is going to be available. Just click on the download button, then it's going to download straight up to your file. Then the next thing is for you to head over to the YouTube studio in order to upload your banner. So if you are on the mobile device, you could go over to the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store to download the YouTube studio on your app. But for me right here, I'm using my Chrome browser. So just type in studio.youtube.com. It's going to take you to this interface. So basically you could log in into your studio with your YouTube channel email. Just use the email you use to create your YouTube channel to log in into your YouTube studio. So then you're gonna come over to this customization section right here. So let me zoom that for you guys to see. So you're gonna come over to the customization section. I hope you guys could see that. So just click on the customization section. So it's gonna take you to this place right now. So once you're at this place, just come over to the branding section. Go over to the branding section. Then from there, you'll be able to upload the image you just download. So just click on this place right here to upload the image. So and also you could also upload the image of your photo to your YouTube channel. You could do that by clicking on this arrow right here. Then once you're done with that, that is all you need to do right now. So once you're done uploading your banner, then your channel is set. So the next thing right here is for you to start creating videos. So before you start creating or uploading videos on your channel, there are some things you need to pick. Yeah, there are some things you need to put in place. So what I mean by that is you can't just go on YouTube right here and start uploading any kind of random videos. And also if you are uploading random videos that is not your videos, you're uploading video that is not yours, you could literally get copyright strike and your account could get deleted. But I would advise you right now to pick a niche if you know you want to start uploading videos videos on YouTube. So what I mean by a niche is, niche are kind of the kind of videos you want to start creating on your channel. For example, if you want to start creating like make money online videos on your channel, you want to start creating like tech videos, like how to, you could literally just pick a niche. And you have to pick a niche, you could literally pick a niche by what you are knowledgeable about. For example, if you know how to like barb hair, you could start creating the videos teaching people how to barb hair. If you know about like mathematics, English, physics, or biology, you could literally just teach this thing on your channel, right? You just create a videos about this topic, then start uploading these videos on your channel. But once, in order for you to start creating videos, you need to learn how to like optimize your videos for search, so you'll be able to get more views to your video. So how I literally optimize my video is by using keyword research. So what I mean by keyword research is, if I come over to the YouTube search bar right here and I type in this keyword, which is the make money online niche, because literally I'm in the make money online niche, so I'm going to be using the make money online niche, for example. So let me type in how to make money online. So if I type in this keyword, how to make money online, you're going to see that there are a lot of videos that's going to be popping up right here. You're going to see a lot of videos popping right here. You can see right here, these are videos popping right here teaching you how you could literally make money online. So before this video could come to the top right here, there are some things they have done before the video could appear right here at the top, which is SEO search optimization. So what I mean by SEO optimization is, for example, if you are trying to promote like an affiliate product, using a video, maybe for example you're promoting a product, you could literally just type in the name of the product you're promoting. So for example, I'm gonna be using get response, for example. So I'm gonna be typing get response right here at the YouTube search bar. I'm gonna be typing get response right now. So you can see right here, once I type in get response, you're gonna see that there are different kind of video, there are different kind of keyword you could literally go for with this keyword. You can see right here, it says you could go for get response tutorial, get response landing page tutorial, get response email marketing tutorial, get response review. So right now, if you're an affiliate marketer, or you're someone who is trying to promote get response with your video, these are the kind of keyword you should be targeting, which is get response review right here. And also there could target like different kind of keyword right here. But one thing I want you guys to like put in place is, once you are targeting a keyword, you need to make sure you are able to rank for this keyword, because literally once you start a YouTube channel, it's gonna be very difficult for you right here to appear at the first page, because the reason is because YouTube has not given you the authority, has not given you your channel the authority to be able to rank right here on the first page. Because in order for you to be given the authority, you need to have like multiple videos. You need to have close to like maybe like 60 to 70 or even 100 videos on your channel in order for YouTube to give you the authority, in order for YouTube to give you the trust for you to come right here. So I could guarantee you, if you could appear at the top right here, you're gonna be getting a lot of sales to your affiliate link. So I'm just using an affiliate as an example. I'm using an affiliate. Maybe if you are creating a video promoting an affiliate as an example. So in order for you to like get on smart the competitor, there's this tool I literally recommend you use, which is called vidIQ. So you could literally just come over to vidIQ right here, create a few account for yourself. You could log in with your Gmail account. You could see right here, you could log in with your Gmail account. So right now I'm gonna be like logging into my account. I just want to quickly show you guys something real quick. So I just logged into vidIQ right now, and I'm gonna be coming over to the keyword research tool right here, because this tool is gonna give you the ability to analyze and also on smart your competitors. So let me come over to the keyword right here, and I type in the same keyword I type on Google, which is get response review right now. You can see right here the competition is low, so the search volume for the keyword is 4,616. So what this means is almost 4,000 people are searching for this keyword every single month. You can see right here, this is literally huge. Like imagine you are able to like get to the top, that is the first page of Google, and almost all these 4,000 people watch your video, and you're promoting get response. No how they're gonna be clicking on your affiliate links and gonna be making purchase for get response. And yeah, one thing I'll I'll advise you look out for is for this competition. So anytime you want to create videos, you need to make sure you come over to this tool right here and then put in the topic of your video. So for example, if you're creating a video about promoting get response, you just put in the title, that is your keyword, then put in your keyword right here in this tool. So this is gonna give you the ability, to check if you could literally rank for this keyword. You can see right here the competition for the keyword is low. You can see right here, this is something you should consider. So whenever you put in a keyword, you need to make sure your keyword is between this range of this green button right here. I hope you guys are seeing the green button. So if you type in any keyword and you see that this arrow is not at the green button, then that means the keyword is bad. Because what I mean by the keyword is bad, because if you create a videos around that topic, you might not get ranked because there are already bigger channels who are ranking for this keyword. So you need to make sure the kind of videos you are creating, the keyword you are going for is between this green button, because you're gonna see that the competition is low. You can see right here it says the competition is low. So if I come over to below right here, you're gonna see related keyword. You can also go with the related keyword right here. This is get response 2022. So you need to make sure that the overall score is is green. The overall score must be green, must be between the age of 68 to like 74. You need to make sure your keyword, the keyword you're going for, it's low, so you'll be able to rank. You can see right here, this is a very high keyword right here. This is get response capture page review. So if you see something like this, maybe the you are seeing the yellow button right here, that means the keyword is very, very high. So let me click on that to show you guys what I mean. So you can see right here the this keyword is very, very high. You can see right here, it's very, very competitive. It's very, very competitive. You need to make sure you are going for lesser keyword right here. So you need to make sure you always check that the keyword you are going for is very low. Make sure you check that the keyword you are going for is very low. So let me literally put in another keyword for you guys to see. So you can see right here, this is another keyword right here. You can see right here, this keyword has over 92,000 people searching for it every single month. And you can see right here the competition is very high. You can see right here, this is what I'm saying right here. The keyword is how to cook right. You can see right here the competition is very high. So for those of us who want to create videos or who want to go into like the the cooking niche, their competition is very, very high, because for you to be able to rank, it's gonna take you a lot of work for you to be able to rank. So right here the competition is very high, so you need to make sure your keyword is not in this yellow bracket range. Your keyword must be somewhere here around this green area to this green area. This is gonna indicate that the keyword you're going for, it's something that you could literally rank for. So you could literally do this for any of your videos. If you are creating videos, make sure you always check the competition of the videos. You need to check the competition of the keyword for you to know, maybe you could literally rank, your channel could rank to the top 10 of the video. If you are getting any value from the video, just smash the subscribe button right here, like the video. And by the way, if you have any question you want to ask me, go to the comment section right here, drop your comment and I'm going to be answering all your questions. So once you already gotten the keyword you want to go for, all you need right now is to copy this keyword right here, copy the keyword right here. Then you need to paste them in a notepad. So I'm going to be walking you through how you can literally optimize this keyword for search. Then go over to your notepad or your Google Docs or whatever, just paste in the keyword right here. So you're gonna be writing a video description around this topic. And one thing I want you guys to take note of, once you are trying to optimize your videos for search, you need to make sure your keyword is in your title and also your keyword is also in your video description. So you need to write something, you need to write a video description around this keyword. Right now I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be showing you guys an example of what I mean. So you can see right here, I just written a video description right here about get response. You can see right, I said in this get response tutorial I'm gonna be doing a full review about get response to tell you if this tool is worth it or not. So you can literally just write something around your keyword. Don't just copy the keyword right here and then paste it in your video description. Your video is not gonna be ranked, your video is not gonna get ranked. So that's how I literally rank my videos. That's how I was able to get views. That's how I get views on my videos. Like I said, if you found the video helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. So in my next video I'm also going to be doing a very way much details on this SEO optimization. So I'm going to be teaching you how, or we're going more in depth on how you could literally rank your videos to get more search right here. So I'm going to be teaching you how to rank, or how to optimize your videos for browse options. So there are things you need to know about YouTube. There are a lot of things you need to know about YouTube. So in my next video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys what you need to know. Like I said, if you're getting any value from the video, if you find the video helpful, make sure you do subscribe button. Like, if you have any question you want to ask me, make sure you go down to the comment section, and I'm gonna be replying to all your questions. So you could actually click on the video right here, pop right here on your screen right now. If you're interested in making money online, then click on it right here, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next